Hello traders and welcome to the Robos channel. This is another video from our Week in 10 Minutes series. I'll be walking you through all the trades I took last week, highlighting key setups, lessons, and takeaways. Stick around, there's a lot to learn. These trades are executed using a $10,000 account. My risk per trade is relatively fixed at $50, but the lot size varies depending on the stop-loss distance. Additionally, my maximum daily risk is limited to 1% of the account balance. The London session often begins by sweeping the liquidity built up during the Asian range. This consistent behavior reinforces the credibility of order blocks and fair value gaps as high probability trading zones aligned with institutional intent. The confluence between the Fibonacci golden zone and the fair value gap significantly increases the reliability of the area as a high probability entry zone. As observed, the validity of this bearish zone is reinforced by multiple institutional factors. 1. A clear liquidity sweep above the previous swing high. 2. A strong momentum shift confirming a break of structure to the downside. 3. Equal highs acting as a liquidity trap for retail traders. 4. A bearish order block aligning with an unmitigated fair value gap within the premium zone. Now, we patiently wait for price to retrace into this area of interest for a potential sell-side reaction. According to its configuration, the algorithm does not open multiple trades within the same zone on the same day. Once a position has been executed and closed in a defined area, no further entries are permitted from that zone during the session. The combination of liquidity grab, high momentum structure break, a clear price gap, and a regular bearish divergence makes this zone a strong potential area for a short setup. In this case, the algorithm entered a bit prematurely in my opinion. There was room for a more refined entry. However, the selected zone is backed by strong confluences which elevates its value as a high probability area and justifies the risk taken. Now, one of the core rules I stick to in my daily trading is this. No matter what happens, I always close all open positions by the end of the day. In this particular case, price got really close to my take profit level, but instead of holding on and risking overnight uncertainty, I closed the trade before the session ended. It's all about discipline and consistency over chasing that extra few pips. At this point, considering that we are in a downtrend and our checklist is fully met, the bot automatically highlights the target zone for us. Key factors such as liquidity grab, a strong and valid break of structure, a price gap, and liquidity traps along the way all confirm that this is a high probability golden zone for entry. Now, all we need to do is be patient and wait for the price to reach this zone, where a high quality trading opportunity may present itself. Thanks for watching till the end. I share my weekly trades in this series to pass on my experience and insights. Hope it helps you grow in skill, knowledge, and mindset. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to like and comment to keep the energy going. See you in the next one.